For the flatbread, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. For the toppings, prepare half a cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and assorted toppings of your choice, such as pepperoni, sliced bell peppers, olives, mushrooms. Fresh basil leaves and a pinch of red pepper flakes are optional. Preparation steps for the flatbread dough. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add warm water and olive oil to the dry ingredients. Mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface for about 5 minutes until smooth. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Divide the rested dough into 2 equal portions. On a floured surface, roll out each portion into a thin oval or rectangle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Place the rolled out dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for 5 to 7 minutes until the flatbread starts to puff up and lightly brown. Remove the flatbread from the oven. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over each flatbread. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese evenly on top. Add your chosen toppings. Return the topped flatbreads to the oven. Bake for an additional 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the edges are golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and a pinch of red pepper flakes if desired. Slice and serve warm.